Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're diving into a word that's often used to describe something strange, unusual, or downright out of the ordinary. That word is bizarre. Let's make sure you're saying it the right way. First, let's look at the spelling. B-I-Z-A-R-R-E. The double R can make it look tricky, but don't worry. It's easier than it seems. Here's the correct pronunciation. Bizarre. Let's break it down step by step. B, like the word bee in honeybee. B. Zar, this is the stressed part of the word. It rhymes with car or star. Say it, zar. Now put it together. Bizarre. One more time, a little faster. Bizarre. Excellent. So what does bizarre mean? It's used to describe something that's very strange, unusual, or unexpected. For example, you might say, that movie had a bizarre ending, or her outfit was totally bizarre. Here's a fun fact. The word bizarre comes from the French language, but it actually has roots in Italian. In Italian, bizarro means angry or strange. Over time, it evolved to describe anything unusual or peculiar. Cool, right? Let's practice one last time. Bizarre. Fantastic! You've nailed it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Say It Right, and share it with someone who loves learning new words. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video with another fascinating word. Take care and stay curious.